Hi everyone, today Cook with Kift will show you how to make stir-fry cucumber with egg and chicken. So this is very tasty food, I love it. So let's go and see the first ingredients. Of course, the first one, very important, is a chicken. And another things, all these ingredients I will make it today. So it's the first one is eggs, 2 eggs today, and a cucumber, and the next one is tomato and some carrot and green chili, but if you don't like chili you don't need to put it, and garlic and sugar, 1 tablespoon enough for today. Black pepper, today I use the black pepper 1 teaspoon, that's it, enough. So for the sauce is the same, oyster sauce, and the next one is soy sauce. This is very important, you see, number 1. This means very important, number 1. And salt, bit of salt. And what is this? It's magic syrup, but today I will call it magic powder because make the food is tasty. Okay, now the ingredients I will show you. Okay, the first I need to cut the chicken. Today I just use the chicken for 200 grams. I think it's enough for this food today. Now I will put the cooking oil, just a little bit, no need to put too much. And first put the garlic and just fry it, and you make sure the garlic and this good smell. After that you can put the chicken and other ingredients. So today I will put 3 tablespoons of oyster sauce and 1 tablespoon of the soy sauce. Little bit sugar for the good taste. Okay, hope you will enjoy our video and see you next videos. And if you like our video, please subscribe our channel. Thank you. Bye bye.